Is your brand new iPhone 15 or 15 Pro acting like a grumpy teenager and refusing to respond? Don't panic, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to force restart your iPhone 15, bringing it back to life without losing any of your precious data. This simple trick is your go-to solution for frozen screens, glitchy apps, or any other software hiccups. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Make it a swift tap, don't hold it down. Next, immediately press and quickly release the volume down button again. A quick tap is all you need. Now, press and hold the side button, which is also the power button, located on the right side of your iPhone. Keep holding it. You'll see the screen go black. Don't let go of the side button yet. Continue holding the side button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. This might take a few seconds. Once the Apple logo appears, you can release the side button. Your iPhone 15 is now restarting. After a few moments, your iPhone will boot up as usual. You can now enter your passcode and start using your iPhone normally. And that's it. You've successfully force restarted your iPhone 15. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more iPhone 15 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.